If you see a cardinal, here's what it means. Cardinals are beloved birds for their beauty and bold colors. But do you know the symbolism and meaning of cardinals that visit your backyard? Cardinals meaning and symbolism. For many bird lovers, the sight of a cardinal holds special meaning, sometimes evoking emotional and or spiritual feelings. They say the vibrant red bird is an uplifting, happy sign that those who have lost will live forever, so long as we keep their memory alive in our hearts. As cardinals sing their pleasant song, people may recall cherished memories of better times. The beautiful birds are a reminder that loved ones will never truly be forgotten. I will put this at the end of the video so you can read more. Thank you for watching.